Is it even? Are we good? Okay. Good morning, America, and any other country watching. So basically today I'm going to be, I guess, rebooting my Instagram. Well, let me just explain it. So I am making a new Instagram account because when I discuss YouTube with my friends, they're like, do you promote your Instagram? And I'm like, no. And they're like, well, you should probably start doing that. So I decided, why not start doing it today? I had an old account that I haven't posted on like in a few months. And there's a whole bunch of people on there that basically needs to be unfollowed because like I don't talk to them anymore because they're like from middle school and high school. So I am just going to make a new account, and I thought that I'd take you guys on that journey with me. And I'm also going to be giving you some tips on how to make your Instagram better like mine. I'm just kidding. People say that I take really good pictures, so I'll give you some tips from me to you. If you like it, take the tips. If you don't, sorry. But so I had this Instagram account where I would post TV shows, and like I just got tired of it, so I disabled the account, and it had like 8,000 followers. So I'm just going to use that account. And hold on, let me screen record. This is the account. I already like deleted all the pictures off of here because it was like 300 or something. So I deleted all the pictures. I added my profile picture, my name and everything, and my link for some YouTube video. But yeah, so I'm just gonna post on there, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for that little journey, whatever. And I'm gonna give you some Instagram tips. So let's just post on there right now. Like I said, I had an old Instagram account that I haven't posted on in a while, so I'm probably, for the most part, until I get some more pictures, just gonna repost a whole bunch of stuff from that account to this account. And the @ name, as you can see, is Demetrius McVeigh with 2 Y's, so don't forget to follow me. I'm gonna post this one. I'm gonna caption it under new management. Or should I say management? No, this is better. And I'm also gonna post these 2 other ones. Okay. So now that's done. So now let's get to the part where I help you out with your Instagram. Tip number 1. I think one of the most important things about taking pictures is knowing what you look good in and how like to take pictures of you, and basically knowing your angle. This is my angle / my good side. Is it screen recording? Yes. This is mine, or is it this? I can't remember. Sorry. But it's like tilting my head to the right, kind of like this. And sometimes I do it to the left, like tilt my head to the left just to be spicy, to spice it up. But usually like my best look is when I like just do like this and tilt my face to the left and show my right side a little bit. Step number 2, steal. If you have no other poses to do, or you don't have any like good ideas for pictures, just take some from someone else. I literally follow, I follow like 5 accounts that repost other people's pictures who are like famous on Instagram, and I just like take their ideas, take their little edits, take their poses. I have an entire album on Instagram of other people's pictures, and if I don't have any like ideas to pose, I just steal their poses. I'm gonna try to find a picture that I took on Instagram that I basically took from somebody else's Instagram to show you what I'm talking about. Tip number 3, have an album in your like camera roll ready for photos to post if you're not feeling like up to par that day, I guess. Like if you wake up and you're like looking a mess, or you need to shave and you don't feel like shaving, or whatever the case may be, have pictures already taken and edited and everything that you can post that day if you don't feel like taking pictures that day. Tip number 4 is basically like a second part to tip number 3. When you're looking good, or you're about to go out and you have like a nice outfit, or you have a good like face and makeup on, take a whole bunch of pictures. Take whatever picture you want to take and post that day, but take other pictures like in other outfits, other angles, other like settings or whatever, and then like save those in the photos album of photos to post like later when you have nothing else to post. I have like a photos album. Let me see if I can find it. I have an album in my phone of photos to post when I'm feeling crusty, but I haven't looked in it in a while. Here it is. It says photos to post. I haven't looked in it in a while, so. Oh, and also this is like a tip 4B. Don't expect to take pictures after you go out. When you're all dolled up and you have your makeup and your outfit on, take the pictures before you go out, because you don't know what you're gonna get yourself into when you go out to the club, when you go out to the party. Even when you go out to dinner, you might get like some champagne on your dress or whatever, or you might mess up your makeup, like drinking your drink and the lipstick gets on the cup. Take pictures before you go out, and then when you're at dinner and you're bored and no one's talking, you can like edit them at the dinner table, or edit them. Because a lot of people, guilty of this too, when you go to the club, you just like sit there and pretend like you're on your phone texting somebody, but really you're probably like playing Bubble Cloud. So like, just like when you need to do something and pretend like you're on your phone texting someone like you're the most popular person in the world, just edit your pictures that you took earlier. That's like tip 4C. On to tip number 5. When it comes to editing your pictures, I can make a whole separate video on how I edit my pictures, but if it's a basic picture, like if I was just to take a picture like this, edit it a lot, because like I don't have any makeup on. This isn't like a special outfit. Like if it's just a basic t-shirt and you're just posing, like edit it a lot. Like I don't really know how to explain that. I guess just use like a cool effect, like maybe that 3D thing that people use, like that 3D filter. But like edit it so it's not boring. And then if you have a picture where it's a lot going on, like it's a group picture, you're like looking good in like a nice outfit, a like beat face, don't edit it as much and just let the picture itself do all the talking. But if it's like a picture that's kind of basic, let like your edit and your creativity do all the talking. Oh, are we on tip number 6? I think so. Tip number 6. If no one else is around, use the self timer. So many pictures that I post that it looks like other people took them for me. I just took myself with the self timer, and I have like a tripod, so it's easy to do. If you don't have a tripod, just like lean it up on something, and then like a computer or a TV or whatever you have, and then take pictures. Tip number 7, post on your story frequently. I know that sounds like why, but like I feel like obviously you're gonna post on your main feed like your pictures or whatever, but if you post on your story like 2 to 3 times a day, for whatever reason, it really helps like get you more followers. I'm not Instagram, I don't know why, but like that's just what it does. I don't ask questions, I just do it. Okay, this is like a little bit of a short video, but that's all that I have for today. If you liked any of these tips, don't forget to like this video. And if you want me to do a how I edit my pictures / videos video, comment that down below. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time you're watching this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.